Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clip contents to frame in Figma. This is a really useful feature when you want to keep your designs clean and ensure that elements don't visually extend beyond their intended boundaries. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Figma application. Once it's loaded, navigate to and open the specific project or file where you want to apply the clipping effect. Make sure you're working with the correct file so that your changes are applied exactly where you need them. Now, let's say you're working with a design that has an ellipse shape, and you'll notice that half of this ellipse extends outside the frame boundaries. This is a common scenario, especially when you're designing layouts with overlapping elements or shapes that need to fit within specific containers. The visual clutter this creates can be distracting, which is exactly what we're about to fix. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find your Layers panel. Here, click directly on the frame that contains the ellipse or whichever element is extending beyond its boundaries. Selecting the frame is crucial because the clipping property applies to the entire frame and affects all layers within it, not just individual objects. Once you've selected the frame, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. This is where Figma displays all the properties and settings for whatever you currently have selected. Scroll through the panel until you locate the option labeled Clip Content. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Go ahead and check that box to enable the clipping feature. The moment you check that box, you'll immediately notice the difference in your design. When clip content is enabled, anything that extends outside the frame bounds gets hidden from view. So in our example, the half of the ellipse that was sticking out beyond the frame will now be neatly clipped, creating a clean, contained look. This gives you precise control over what's visible within your frame and helps maintain the intended design boundaries. It's particularly handy when you're creating components, prototypes, or simply organizing complex layouts where visual discipline matters. And that's it. You've successfully clipped contents to a frame in Figma, keeping your design clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.